Last time, we discovered that this Chinese 125cc engine made some good power, but my number one comment was related to so today we're testing, can I make an effective muffler for only $5? Let's find out. Now, we could be boring and just test this $5 Temu exhaust that was created for a pit bike engine just like this, but I had the completely original idea of decreasing the sound made by this engine using this oil filter. We will begin by decibel testing the original straight pipe exhaust at max power. Oh, that is just grim. "120 decibels marks the beginning of the threshold of pain. Our baseline run on this hot day nets us 6.9 horsepower. The new muffler install is quick and easy. It looks pretty good too. But what does it sound like? On the decibel scale, a 10 decibel decrease in sound intensity means that this exhaust is 10 times quieter. But how much power did it cost us? Before and after, the difference was not meaningful with a max horsepower figure of 6.75. Now let's try a solution with a little more pizzazz. This is a 3/4 oil filter adapter fitting that you can purchase online. The 5/8 hole through the center may end up being a flow restriction. Let's see what happens. The finished product looks like an oil filter stuck on the end of my exhaust pipe. Let's see what it sounds like. While definitely not as effective as the real muffler, the oil filter still decreased the maximum decibels by 4.5, which means that it's over twice as quiet. But at what cost? Again, before and after. Yikes! It looks like that flow restriction in the muffler decreased our horsepower by about 1 everywhere in the power band. So, does an oil filter make an effective muffler? Depends on how high your standards are. But I think that we can both agree that it's still better than this or this. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please consider offering a like and a subscribe below.